Okay, so today I will be taking your English grammar. I will take your English grammar today. And today I will revise the chapter number 26, conjunctions. Okay, chapter number 26, conjunctions. All of you try to give me the answers. I will just do the exercises and all of you will try to give me the answers, okay? Page number 75, you can see in your grammar book. Page number 75, C part. From C part. Okay, let's start then. Number 1. Ravi is fond of fruits and green vegetables. Can you tell me here the conjunction is? What is the conjunction here? Yes, Shori, Snehanjana, Shubhashri, Swagatam, Srijita. Okay. Right. Shuchita. Who has kept his or her mic on? Please, all of you, mute your microphones. Yeah. So here, number 1, the conjunction is and. Right. Very good. Number 2. Yes, Shodish. And. Right. Number 2, Ram Kumar is poor but honest. Ram Kumar is poor but honest. Yes. Very good. So here the conjunction is but. But. Right. Correct, all of you. Yes. Number 3. Is Ruchi a good dancer or a good singer? Yes, Shori, Triporna. Right, Shubhasri, Wahid, all of you, Shuchita. Yes, very good. So here, is Ruchi a good dancer or a good singer? Here the conjunction is or. Right. Number 4. Everybody loves Rahman because he is sincere. Everybody loves Rahman because he is sincere. Here the conjunction is right. All of you. Because. Number 5. Rekha is honest and hardworking. Number 5. Okay, Swagatam, you have seen all the but let me do one by one. Okay. Number 5. Rekha is honest and hardworking. Here also the conjunction is and. Number 6. Keep quiet or go away. Keep quiet or go away. Yes, Shohana, Shori, Srijita. Right. Here the conjunction is or. Keep quiet or go away. Or is a conjunction here. Number 7. He ran fast but missed the train. He ran fast. Yes, Shori, Shohana, Srijita. Right. Shori, Shucheta, Swagatam. Very good. So here number 7, the conjunction is but. Number 8. She carried an umbrella because it was hot. Here, yes, because is the conjunction here. Number 9. We will take a bus or a taxi. Number 9. Yes, Shori, Shuhana, Shori, Shubhashri, right, Swagatam, Wahid, correct. All of you, very good. So here number 9, the conjunction is or. And number 10. She was tired but she went on walking. Yes, Triporna, right? Srijita, Shori. So she was tired but she went on walking. But. Right. Okay. Sorry. I have written this wrong. B part. Okay. So B part is completed. Right, and but or C you have said. Okay, let me do one by one. So can I erase the board? So I am erasing the board now. I hope this was already done. Right. I can see that. Yes. So I am erasing the board now. Now come to C part. Fill in the blank with and or but because. Number 1, both Sam dash John are in the team. Yes, I have already told you the answer. And number 2, she is smart, kind dash intelligent. Right, she is smart, kind and intelligent. Good. Number 3, tea is hot dash ice cream is cold. Yes, right, all of you. But yes, tea is hot but ice cream is cold. Number 4, is our new teacher old dash is she young. Number 4, yes, Shubhasri, Shourish, Srijita, Wahid, Shuchita, right. So here or number 4, or is our new teacher old or is she young. Number 5, Mukesh is intelligent dash careless. Mukesh is intelligent. Yes, 5 will be but. Very good. All of you I can see are giving correct answers. Very good. Number 6, we cannot eat these mangoes dash they are sour. Yes, because they are sour. Number 7, stop at the zebra crossing dash you will be fined. Yes, or stop at the zebra crossing or you will be fined. Number 8, he is working hard dash his examinations begin tomorrow. He is working hard. Yes, all of you. Correct. Because his examinations begin tomorrow. Good. So I can see that all of you are giving correct answers. Very good. Now come to the next page, page number 76. So will I erase the board? Yes. Okay. Okay. E part I will do now. One by one. Okay. Yes, page number 76, E part. Yes, you have done. Good. Number 1, we cannot go out, it is raining. We need to choose the correct option. We cannot go out, it is raining, and the options are and, because, or. And, because, or. Yes. So the correct option will be because. Number 1, correct option is because. Right. Number 2, he is old, he is strong. And the options are but or and. But, yes. He is old, he is strong. The correct option is but. Number 3. He is old, he is weak. In this matter, it is saying about the same concept. So, in this matter, he is old, he is weak. The options are and or, but here the correct option will be and. Right. Number 4. We rang the bell. Nobody opened the door. Because and but. Yes. Here the correct option will be but. No, not or. It will be but. We rang the door, but nobody opened the door. But. Number 5. Is this question easy? Is it difficult? The options are but or and. Yes. This time the correct option will be or. Number 5, the correct option will be or. Number 6. Yes, okay, completed. Number 6. Take this cup of tea quickly, it will get cold. Options are but and or. Or. The correct option will be or. Take this cup of tea or it will get cold. Number 7. You should go to a doctor. You have a fever. Number 7. Options are and or because. Yes. So, number 7. The correct option will be because. You should go to a doctor because you have a fever. Right? Okay. So, this is how the chapter is also, the revision of the chapter is also completed. Okay. Yes, now all of you please give your present and no one will leave until I finish. No one will leave until I finish, okay? Satvik, Snehanjana, Suhana, Shobi, Shobish, okay. Shostav Ghosh present. Okay. Okay.
এখনো আছে কটা টাকা বাজি কটা টাকা এবারে কেটে যাবে না এখন আছে
Okay, I have taken all of your present. Okay, so today is up to this. All of you practice all the chapters very well at your home. Okay, so today is up to this. All of you have a nice day. Bye. Bye all of you.